Welcome to Madrid, a city of passion and progress. Let's explore why you have to visit this vibrant city. Madrid, Spain. A city that pulsates with life, where history and modernity intertwine in a vibrant tapestry. From grand avenues lined with majestic buildings to charming cobblestone streets buzzing with activity, Madrid offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and contemporary cool. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking an unforgettable travel experience, Madrid has something to offer everyone. Lose yourself in the city's infectious energy as you explore its iconic landmarks, savor its culinary delights, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. Madrid is a city that will stay with you long after you've said adios. Get ready to fall in love with its charm, its beauty, and its undeniable zest for life. Your adventure starts now. No trip to Madrid is complete without experiencing its regal heritage. The city is a treasure trove of historical landmarks that transport you back to a time of grandeur and opulence. As you wander through its streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by centuries of history, each corner telling a story of its own. The Royal Palace, the official residence of the Spanish royal family, stands as a testament to Spain's imperial past. This magnificent structure, with its grandiose architecture and lavish interiors, offers a glimpse into the lives of Spanish royalty. The palace is not just a building, it's a symbol of the nation's rich cultural heritage and its enduring legacy. Explore its opulent rooms, marvel at the exquisite artwork, and imagine the grandeur of royal life. Each room is a masterpiece, adorned with intricate details and priceless artifacts. The palace's vast collection of art and historical objects provides a fascinating insight into the artistic and cultural achievements of Spain throughout the ages. Just steps away, the Plaza Mayor, a grand square lined with elegant arches and colorful facades, invites you to soak up the city's ambiance. This historic square has been the heart of Madrid for centuries, hosting everything from markets and festivals to bullfights and executions. Today, it's a vibrant gathering place where locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the lively atmosphere. Grab a coffee at a sidewalk cafe and watch the world go by, or browse the shops and soak up the lively atmosphere. The Plaza Mayor is the perfect spot to relax and take in the sights and sounds of the city. Whether you're people-watching, shopping for souvenirs, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, this iconic square offers a quintessential Madrid experience. Another must-see is the Almudena Cathedral, a stunning example of neoclassical architecture. This majestic cathedral, with its impressive facade and towering spires, is a testament to the city's rich religious history. The cathedral's construction took over a century to complete, and its design reflects a blend of different architectural styles, making it a unique and fascinating landmark. Its intricate details and soaring ceilings are a testament to the city's rich religious history and artistic prowess. Inside, you'll find beautiful stained glass windows, ornate altars, and a sense of tranquility that contrasts with the bustling city outside. The cathedral is not just a place of worship, it's a work of art that showcases the skill and dedication of the craftsmen who built it. Don't miss the chance to climb to the top of the dome for panoramic views of Madrid. From this vantage point, you can see the city's sprawling landscape, with its mix of historic buildings and modern architecture. It's a breathtaking sight that captures the essence of Madrid, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply a curious traveler, Madrid's rich heritage and vibrant culture are sure to leave a lasting impression. For football enthusiasts, Madrid is a dream destination. The city is home to Real Madrid, one of the most successful football clubs in the world. Witnessing a match at the legendary Santiago Bernabéu Stadium is an experience unlike any other. The roar of the crowd, the electric atmosphere, and the sheer passion of the fans will leave you breathless. Even if you're not a die-hard fan, the energy and excitement of a Real Madrid match are contagious. Recently, Real Madrid clinched their 35th La Liga title, cementing their status as Spanish football giants. The city erupted in celebration, with fans flooding the streets in a sea of white jerseys. The passion for football in Madrid is palpable and adds another layer of excitement to this vibrant city. Art for the soul, a world of masterpieces. Madrid is an art lover's paradise, boasting some of the world's most renowned museums. The city is a treasure trove of artistic wonders where history and creativity converge to offer an unparalleled cultural experience. The Prado Museum houses an unparalleled collection of Spanish masters, including Goya, whose works capture the essence of Spanish life and history with a unique blend of realism and emotion. Velázquez, whose masterpiece Las Meninas is a study in perspective and royal life, and El Greco, whose dramatic and expressionistic style has left an indelible mark on the art world. Lose yourself in the brushstrokes of these iconic artists and experience the evolution of Spanish art. Each painting tells a story, inviting you to step into a different era and feel the emotions of the time. Just across the way, the Reina Sofía Museum showcases modern and contemporary art, offering a stark contrast to the classical works of the Prado. Here, the boundaries of art are pushed and redefined. With Picasso's Guernica as its crown jewel, the museum provides a powerful commentary on the impact of war and the resilience of the human spirit. This monumental piece, with its chaotic and haunting imagery, is a must-see for its historical significance and artistic brilliance. This powerful masterpiece, depicting the horrors of war, is a must-see for its historical significance and artistic brilliance. The emotional reactions of visitors are a testament to the enduring power of Picasso's work. For a more intimate art experience, visit the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum, where the atmosphere is serene and the collection is diverse. This museum offers a more personal journey through the world of art. Home to a diverse collection spanning from medieval to modern art, the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum features works from Caravaggio, whose dramatic use of light and shadow revolutionized painting, to Monet, whose impressionistic landscapes capture the fleeting beauty of nature. The museum offers a fascinating journey through art history, allowing visitors to explore the evolution of artistic styles and movements. Each gallery presents a new chapter in the story of art, making it a must-visit for anyone passionate about creativity and expression. A culinary adventure, tapas, treats, and late-night delights. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds in Madrid, a city that takes its food seriously. The Spanish capital is a paradise for food lovers, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and culinary traditions that reflect its diverse history and culture. No trip is complete without indulging in the Spanish tradition of tapas, small plates of deliciousness meant to be shared. Tapas are more than just food, they are a social experience, a way to connect with friends and family over a variety of delectable dishes. From patatas bravas, crispy potatoes with spicy sauce that packs a punch, to gambas al ajillo, succulent garlic shrimp that burst with flavor, the variety of tapas is endless. You can find everything from traditional favorites to modern twists, each dish telling its own story. For a sweet treat, be sure to try churros con chocolate, a Madrid staple. These delightful pastries are a must-try for anyone with a sweet tooth. These crispy fried dough pastries, dipped in thick, rich hot chocolate, are the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth. The combination of the crunchy churros and the velvety chocolate is simply irresistible. As the sun sets, Madrid comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. The city transforms into a playground for night owls, offering a plethora of options to suit every taste and mood. Head to the trendy Chueca district for stylish bars and clubs, where the energy is palpable and the music keeps you moving all night long. Or experience the authentic atmosphere of a traditional taverna in La Latina. Here you can enjoy a more laid-back vibe with live music and hearty food that warms the soul. No matter your taste, Madrid has a nightlife scene to match. Whether you prefer dancing until dawn, sipping cocktails in a chic lounge, or simply enjoying a quiet evening with friends, Madrid offers something for everyone. The city's nightlife is as diverse and dynamic as its culinary scene, ensuring that every night out is a memorable adventure. The pulse of the city, Madrid, after dark. When the sun goes down, Madrid truly comes alive. The city transforms, its energy shifting from bustling to electric. The streets fill with laughter and conversation as locals and visitors alike embrace the night. One of the best ways to experience Madrid after dark is to join the locals for a botellón, an informal gathering in a park or square. It's a chance to mingle, share drinks and snacks, and soak up the lively atmosphere. For a more structured evening, head to one of Madrid's many rooftop bars. These bars offer stunning views of the city's skyline, making them the perfect spot to enjoy a cocktail and watch the sunset.